What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some smartwatches. These ones actually come from Lenovo. I had no idea that Lenovo made smartwatches. So we got two different ones. We got the Lenovo HX06 smart bracelet, which is a fitness tracker. And then we have the Lenovo Watch 9, which is something a little more elegant. This thing is running off of Bluetooth 4.2. It's IP67 rated. It has a 0.87 inch bezel-less touchscreen OLED display. It's compatible with Android 4.4 and up and iOS 8.0 and up. It has a 60 milliamp hour battery. Ooh, oh yeah. Pretty heavy duty thick rubber band with an actual double peg, so it's definitely not gonna come off. Actually has a little Lenovo logo right there. Okay, cool. So both sides come off. I'm guessing, I don't know if there's other bands for this, but I'm guessing there is. So this side is just a peg, but this side is the peg plus USB. So you plug it right into a USB socket to get your charge. So it has an alarm clock, a call reminder, date and time, distance recording, SMS reminder, pedometer, sedentary reminder, sleep management. Pretty basic, standard looking fitness tracker. Apparently I had 27 steps while I was sitting here. Nice. Shows you steps, how long you've gone. Gives you information like your heart rate, average light sleep, deep sleep, and average wake up. Pretty basic app. There's nothing really too much to this. It just gives you some basic information, but the layout is nice and simple. I mean, if you've ever used a fitness tracker, this is gonna be, you know, turn it on and you're just gonna go. All right, well, let's check out the other one, the Watch 9. This one's running off of Bluetooth 5.0. It has a sapphire glass that's up to 9H hardness, which is almost as hard as a diamond, apparently. Ooh, see now that's nice. Oh man. I really dig the look of this. I like not having any numbers, and it is nice to have a good dial watch, you know, for occasions where you want to look classy, a little sharp. This is definitely a sharp looking watch. Plus it comes in silver. Oh yeah, I make this watch look good. All right, so here's the thing. The app itself comes in Chinese. Now I was doing a little looking, and when you install the app, it actually converts it to English, so you don't have to worry about that, which is nice. You know, looking at this, you wouldn't think that it's gonna give you all these smart features, but it does. But it gives you all the things that you need, the sleep, heart rate monitor, all the good smart fitness tracking style stuff. But to calibrate it, oh, there it goes. It's gonna take a minute to finish. It's really weird, when you go to calibrate, you have to actually put in the time that it shows on the watch, and then once you hit start, then it'll sync up to your watch and it'll actually fast forward to get to that time. But the features in here, like I said, very, very simple stuff. Plus, you know, you can set up a Lenovo account to have everything tracked. You can create a plan once you log in. You know, thanks to lazymocha.com, I found some instructions that have been converted into English, and it's actually very, very simple. The reason you only have one button is because you really only need one button. So if you long press it, for 3 seconds, it'll flash up here. To turn on Bluetooth, you hold it down for 3 seconds again, and then everything else is controlled within the app. You can also do a find phone. Oh, there we go. Oh, cool. If you actually push the button really fast a couple times, it'll vibrate and then your phone will go off. So it's a good way to find your phone. This thing is still going. That's gonna just keep going for a while. It's gonna take a while to get over to 7 o'clock, so I'm just gonna let that go. But overall, I gotta say, I'm gonna really like this one. This is definitely one that I'm gonna wear. This is only $14.99, and this is only $22.99. For $23, that's actually, that's pretty much a steal if you ask me. That's a really nice watch. I'm really digging this one. I'm less impressed with this one just because it's just another fitness tracker, you know? There's just so many of them out there. This doesn't really stand out from the other ones, but if you're the kind of person that likes to stick with a certain brand and your brand is Lenovo, go check it out. It's only like 15 bucks. It's super cheap. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.